Someone trying to explain maths. Gödel's theorems. Is this physics? Computer science breakthroughs developed through math. Professor, I also put an advanced Fourier system on the main hallway chalkboard. The problem on the hallway chalkboard. Find the adjacency matrix A. The matrix giving the number of 3-step walks. The generating function for walks from point Y to J. The generating function for walks from points 1 to 3. Any plans for the weekend? Me, I'll be in my bedroom, making no noise and pretending that I don't exist. It's just me and the Calculus for Dummies textbook. I'll study the material and try to solve every problem in the book. Me teaching a newbie in the lab how to use the print screen button to collect diagrams and graphs before putting them into papers for publication in Q1 journals. Wait, it's all generated by a single algebra. Always has been. Equational classes. Free algebras generated by an infinite set. Corporate needs you to find the difference between this picture and this picture. Topologists. They're the same picture. Category theorists encountering any other topic. How can I read this? There are no commutative diagrams. When you have to solve an integral for a surface area problem, and not even the professor knows how to solve it. Oh, Neptune. PDE with limit boundary conditions. You have freed us. Fourier transform that has an impossible inverse. Oh, I wouldn't say freed. More like under new management. Thesis examiner, can you tell me the real-world applications of your work? Math PhD students. No. Linear algebra. Game developers. Statistical modeling. Machine learning. Deep learning. Physics. When the sequence is Cauchy but not convergent, the limit ought to be here. But it isn't. Impossible. Perhaps the space is incomplete. If someone lifts weights, it doesn't mean he's bad at math. Intellect and muscles are totally unrelated. Also, people who lift weights. 4 plates are 3 times as much as 1 plate, you know. Algebra is hard. Algebra is easy. Algebra is hard. Saw a book called How to Solve 50% of Your Problems. So I bought 2 books. Idiot. Buy 1 book and read it twice. I bet he's thinking about other women. If the zero matrix generates the trivial group under matrix multiplication, does that make it an identity matrix? Probability theorists. Monty Hall. Only offering the switch when you're right. Imagine a real number. Now it's imaginary. My therapist. Don't worry. It's not like people will remember your small maths mistakes in a couple thousand years. Meanwhile, world's first maths mistake. Student. Will the exam be open book or closed book? Topology professor. Well, actually, pure mathematics was invented by pure mathematicians to give them a job. I read this as, pure mathematics was invented by pure mathematicians to give them joy. I stand by what my brain originally thought. Continuous. Discontinuous. Thomae's function. Real analysis. Freshman math majors. Calculus is cool. Wait, so you think tau is better than pi? I do. And I'm tired of pretending it's not. Fourier transform. Courier transform. Number theory exam. Panic. Teacher says, just testing the ABCs. Calm. Discuss Mochizuki's attempt. Panic. I am done with algebra. Matrix algebra. Clifford algebra. Symmetric algebra. Exterior algebra. Tensor algebra. Etc. I am done with algebra. Matrix algebra. Guys, I think I no-clipped into the complex plane. Look what floor it says I'm on. My teacher. I isn't real. It can't hurt you. Me when I found out that linear ring is not a mathematical term. My disappointment is immeasurable and my day is ruined. Therapist. Imaginary numbers aren't real. They can't hurt you. Math. You actually have a chance of 50% to see a dinosaur outside. What? I mean, you either see a dinosaur or you don't, which makes it a 50% chance to happen. Jesse, what the hell are you talking about? Inside you. There are 2 wolves. The axiom of choice is obviously true. The well-ordering principle is obviously false. Me realizing almost all numbers are completely useless. How it feels to aimlessly simplify a trigonometric equation for 2 hours. And finally seeing the solution in front of you.